So now let's look at how having two cameras on here works. So we have this camera here, and you can see when I click in between them, whichever one I am on, the red outline is on. Okay? So this is the front camera. This is going to be the top camera. Right now, it is right over my table. Okay, so what you can do is you can take the camera that you would like to be your main picture, and you grab the corner, hold your left mouse key down, and drag it until you get a full screen picture. Okay? Now remember, you have to click back on the other camera in order to move it. And then you can do the same thing. So you can make it smaller, make it larger. You can move it around anywhere on your screen. Whatever you see on your screen is what people who are attending your live stream will see. Of course, you can also record this onto your computer using this same method. Instead of streaming, you would record. Okay, so you can use this to record tutorials. If you wanted to have one camera showing something other than your face, then you can use these two in order to do that. Some of the other things that you can add in using OBS, you can add in audio.